Aussie athlete.
A great resource I came across only in the last year or two of ultramarathon running is the sun sleeves. Cyclists use them all the time to keep the sun off their arms. So the beauty of these sun sleeves, you have one for each arm, is that you can wear a short sleeve shirt or even no shirt at all. And then when you want sun protection, you just pull these sun sleeves on and suddenly your whole arm is protected and it breathes really well. They stretch, they're comfortable, but it keeps the sun off. And it can keep you a little bit warm as well. So if you're starting running just before sunrise, maybe when the dew is kind of lifting off the ground and it's extra cold in the mornings, you can pull these on and it can just take the edge off and keep you that little bit warmer. Then once you get running, you can just pull them down and just run like that. And they're not really in the way. And then that's kind of, you can rub sweat off and when you get sick of those, you can just reasonably easily take them off and stick them in a pocket. Super simple solution. Sun sleeves can keep you out of a lot of trouble, save you from sunburn, keep you comfortable.